Maple pecan granolas. They are healthy and yummy. Let's get to it. First, you'll need rolled oats. I use instant rolled oats from Pecan, but you can really use anything. Maple syrup. Some nuts. I love pecans, but you can really use any bag of mixed nuts that you might already have. Some chocolate. I'm using dark chocolate from Granola. Cinnamon and some salt. Let's get to it. A rough chop of nuts into the bowl. Next, I'll add in about 1.5 cup of oats. We'll add in about half a teaspoon of cinnamon into the mixture. I love cinnamon. We'll also need some salt. Even though we're making sweet granola, salt is important to give it a kick. So just a pinch of it. If you like it saltier, you can add more. We'll give it a good mix. Nice chunky bits in our mixture. Now, after all our dry ingredients are added, we'll add in our wet ingredients, starting with maple syrup, giving it a generous drizzle. Well, you can add more if you like it sweeter. You'll see that they'll start to clump together. I think I'll go in for a little bit more. Well, there we go. And also, I forgot to add, we need oil as well. I'm adding in some olive oil. This will help crisp up the granola and also make them stick together. Now we'll transfer them into a baking tray. I will be baking my granola on the top rack about 150 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes. We'll spread them out on the tray so that they all get a nice even crisp. Into the oven we go. Ooh, it is super crunchy. Done. To store them, we're going to keep them into these airtight jars.